Talk about a pain in the butt to get started today. She didn't want to move from over there. That's a 305 in that thing, guys. Kind of think this is where it's going to sit for the winter. Not 100% sure, but she does sound good. Alternator must not be working, so I got to jump back on it. Power steering, everything works. No brakes. Who needs brakes, right? Dually's dead. Had to jump that too. Gray truck there. Really thinking about starting on that next. I wish I had got the rocker so I could, when I take the cab off, I can replace all that rust and fix it. Yeah. Trying to get stuff moved around and ready for winter. I think that stuff there is going to make a pretty good snow break and kind of stop the snow. So, yeah, this thing here, I need this one that goes to there, comes to there, goes there up to the heater core. That fitting right in there is leaking, and the hoses they do fill. So I need some new stuff. I was going to find that cheaper local or online than local, because local is crazy. Can't even tell I put intake gaskets in that last year. Yeah, it was 2 winters ago. I don't remember. Time flies when you're having fun. Ha ha! And I gotta get a new air cleaner. Maybe this thing will start getting good gas mileage again. I don't know. Thinking about putting that new 5.3 in here too. I don't know. I got a lot of ideas. 2006 was the last time that radiator system was serviced. 10/7 of 2006. Well, somebody's pride and joy at one time. Anyway, yeah. Nope. I bet she's about ready to run out of gas. Oh, shut her down. I'll trim that tree so it don't rub. Well, not that it really matters. It rubs on this old car. There you go. There. So yeah, now I got the Camaro moved. Yeah. Yay, right, yay. Anyway. And as you can see, here on the floor we got an oil leak. I don't know why. Weird on camera, it looks like the flywheel's not turning, huh? There you go, 200 and 60 pounds oil pressure, rev it up, it goes up to 90. Exhaust is turning gray. That's too much oil leak. And where is it coming from, I don't know. Okay, I'll use the button on the back of the camera. This has been a big flop here. I just lost what I thought was of the 383 running. You already seen just prior to this one clip, but then we talk about some other stuff and that, but I guess. So it's still hooked up. I'll give you guys the run now. So I just don't know what's going on with my camera here. So we got it idling in that, and if you see a spot on the floor, yes, we got an oil leak. We figured out it was a galley plug up on this side that's leaking. It's just simple. Then again, like I say, the stand proves invaluable because that would have been leaking in the car. You know what you've been doing, dropping the tranny, pulling the flywheel, or pulling the motor to pull the flywheel. So anyway. We'll let it warm back up a little. Sounds pretty good. Guess what? Yep, we just ran out of gas. The hose come out of the gas, so. Alright, well, you guys got to hear it. Which is okay, because we need the carburetor emptied anyway. Now we'll go back in the shop. And, yeah, like I said, there it is. And let's see if you guys, I can show you guys. Now you can see it's all wet coming from the top down. So I got a galley plug that leaked on me. I've never, that's what I talked about Two, I have never had a galley plug ever leak back there like that. That is, like I said, the worst place to have a leak show up. We got this fixed up. Fixed the oil pan gasket. Thought I had a room range seal, but problem, but come to find out it wasn't that. So I guess I got to make some calls and go on, and I'm probably going to put this video up. Not sure where the next video will be, but stay tuned. You never know what you're going to see coming up next. So anyway, thanks everybody for watching, and sorry I lost footage. I can't even remember what I talked about, but there was some good stuff and it's gone. So I guess this is what you guys get. So take her easy, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the running the old Camaro at the beginning. So later everybody, have a good one.